How to lock your Netflix profile. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can lock your Netflix profile, so let's dive in. First, you have to open your Netflix app on your phone and then you have to wait for it to load. Now, you simply have to click any profile. Once you are on your profile, you simply have to click My Netflix on the bottom right corner. And then you have to click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. And then you have to click Manage Profiles. And now you have to select the profile that you want to lock. And once you're on this page, now you can see this profile lock option. You can add a 4-digit PIN to this profile. Just click this option. And now you have to click Create a Profile Lock. Now you simply have to enter the Netflix account password over here in this box and then click OK. Now you can just add a 4-digit PIN to create your profile lock. And once you enter it, you'll be good to go. And that's how you lock your Netflix profile.